Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governorship candidate of the All Progressives Grand Alliance, AKUGHA in Delta State, Chief Great Ogboru, says his manifesto, known as the Jubilee Agenda, will be faithfully implemented to bring about total transformation in the lives of Deltans if elected as their next governor come March 11, 2023. Chief Ogboru made the declaration recently during the flag-off of his Delta Central campaign in Ughelli North local government area of Delta State.
Governorship candidate of the All Progressives Grand Alliance AKUGHA in Delta State, Great Ogboru, recently took his campaign to Ughelli North local government area. During the campaign in Ughelli town, Ogboru went round major streets and markets, teaming with his supporters. The campaign train finally bettered at the Ughelli Township Stadium, where Ogboru addressed a crowded mass of his supporters. While fielding questions from reporters at the campaign venue, the AKUGHA governorship candidate said he was on a rescue mission to make a difference in the governance of Delta State with the implementation of his party's Jubilee agenda designed to improve the lots of Deltans.
The level of governance has been far below the benchmark that is desired. But there is a time for everything. I believe that this is the time for us to have the type of government that Delta State deserves. So basically, I want to commend to you our Jubilee agenda. If you haven't seen a copy of it, go take time and read it. It will enlighten you a lot. And I'm sure that implementing that agenda means that Delta State is certainly moving up.
Ogboru says the Jubilee agenda is a 7-point social contract inspired by the Sustainable Development Goals to bring about total transformation in Delta State.
When we have implemented the agenda, Delta State will witness a transformation like never before. Delta State will witness development in all spheres of life. Delta State will witness more than ever before a safe environment, a secured environment. Delta State will witness a robust economy, and above all, we will have a Delta State where human capital is developed because we will invest in our human resources portfolio.
Peters Omaruaye, AKUGHA candidate for Delta Central senatorial seat, who was on Ogboru's campaign train, said AKUGHA's Jubilee agenda was designed to restore the dignity of Deltans. In line with his party's ideology, the Delta Central senatorial candidate of AKUGHA has a 9-point agenda which partly focuses on reviving moribund industries and infrastructure like seaports for employment generation. Mr. Omaruaye is confident about landslide victory in what he hopes will be free and fair senatorial election in Delta Central.
By the grace of God, I am the next senator representing Delta Central. Hallelujah. I have said it before and I will say it again. I will be a senator that will represent the 8 local government areas of Delta Central. We're not going to buy things going from one small place, so no, we will bring the dividends of democracy and we will share them equitably.
Ogboru and Omaruaye both command respect and support of most eligible voters in Delta Central for what AKUGHA chieftains Lawrence Osiso and Prince Emmanuel Okotiebo attribute to their character and competence in leadership.
These are men of integrity. These are men of character. Great Ogboru, the man has been coming, and the man has the interest of the people at heart. He's coming to contest as a governor. It's not because he wants to enrich his pocket, but because he wants to emancipate the people of Delta State who have been impoverished for so long. Peter Omaruaye is splendid, excellent. A man with humility, plenty of humility. He is the next senator to represent Delta Central at the Red Chamber. Senator Omaruaye is a man that is fit for that job.
Politics is the person that matters. You know what I mean? You don't look at just the party. or whatever, you that will sell the party. The names involved in any operation sells the party, not the party itself.
The Jubilee agenda of the All Progressives Grand Alliance has an equal opportunity development initiative targeted at creating economic growth pools across Delta states based on their comparative advantages.
Inside the Niger Delta,